pop, we make it glow. Hit subscribe, let's start the show.
Take the twisted, shine it bright. Crafting dreams all day and night. Fun's in your hands, it's time to play. 5-minute crafts will light your day.
Time it quick, don't let it fade.
Magic's here, it's homemade.
5-minute crafts, we're creating the fun. 5-minute crafts, you're the number one.
Feel the spark, just do it fast.
Love your life with 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. With 5-minute crafts. With 5-minute crafts. Do it, flip it, color flow. Turn your world into a show.
Little hacks that make it right. We shine together day and night.
Come on, hit like, don't hesitate. Join the vibe, it feels so great.
5-minute crafts, we lift you high. We make it simple, we make it fly.
5-minute crafts, we're creating the fun. 5-minute crafts, yeah, we're number one.
DIY your joy, make it last.
Live your best with 5-minute crafts. Oh, 5-minute crafts. Oh, 5-minute crafts. Oh, 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts.
DIY your joy, make it last.
Live your best with 5-minute crafts.
I try to be so much better, but I think it will take forever. When I try to achieve my agenda, there's always something in my way. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I wish the day would be more than 24 hours in my life. Maybe then I'll finish my homework and start the cleaning in my room. Somebody texting, send me pictures, something interesting on that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I feel like I am lost in space, and I should try to hold my breath and find the way back to the stream. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone and not with you. You always bother me with something. You made me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. friend and not my enemy. I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you'll always bother me with something. You made me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. Someday you will know me, you'll see what's wrong. You might always right, but be on my side. I want to belong to no one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you'll always bother me with something. You made me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone. No one. I wanna spend some time alone, and now with you, you'll always bother me with something. You made me do what I don't want, and you leave me all alone.
Twisted, shine it bright, crafting dreams all day and night. Funds in your hands, it's time to play. 5-minute crafts will light your day.
Type it quick, don't let it fade.
Magic's here, it's homemade.
5-minute crafts, we're creating the fun. 5-minute crafts, you're the number one.
Feel the spark, just do it fast.
Love your life with 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. With 5-minute flip it, color flow, turn your world into a show.
Little hacks that make it right, we shine together day and night.
Come on, hit like, don't hesitate, join the vibe, it feels so great.
5-minute crafts, we lift you high, we make it simple, we make it fly.
5-minute crafts, we're creating the fun. 5-minute crafts, yeah, we're number one.
DIY your joy, make it last.
Live your best with 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts. 5-minute crafts.
DIY your joy, make it last.
Live your best with 5-minute crafts.
I try to be so much better, but I think it will take forever. When I try to achieve my agenda, there's always something in my way. Somebody text me, send me pictures, something interesting in that YouTube channel. There's so much to do, I have not started. TikTok wins in this battle. I'll do it later, I will do it later, but I need to check or like some comments now. I'll do it later, I will do it later. Please tell me, my friend, how to become better. I wish the day would be more than 24 hours in my life.